Have you ever wondered how you can make money online as a student? Well, today we are going to delve into that. In this fast-paced digital world we live in, the internet is not just a hub for information, entertainment, and communication. It's also a goldmine for those who know how to tap into its potential. As a student, making money online can be an incredible opportunity. Not only can it supplement your income, but it can also give you a taste of independence and financial freedom. The beauty of online earning lies in its flexibility. You can work from anywhere, at any time, fitting it around your study schedule. Plus, there's no limit to how much you can earn. From freelancing to blogging, from tutoring to selling products, the possibilities are endless. So, let's dive into the world of online earning. Are you ready to reveal the secrets? Before we start, it's crucial to understand the basics of online earning. Imagine the internet as a vast, bustling marketplace. Just like in any marketplace, there are opportunities to buy, sell, trade, and yes, earn. The concept of online earning revolves around leveraging this digital marketplace to your advantage. Let's start with freelancing. Essentially, freelancing is selling your skills or services to clients who need them. Are you good at graphic design? You could design logos or websites. Do you have a knack for writing? You could write articles or blog posts. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to work on your own terms, choosing the projects that interest you. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with others who need help? Online tutoring platforms connect tutors with students across the globe, allowing you to earn money while helping others learn. Blogging is another way to make money online. If you have a passion for a particular topic, be it fashion, technology, or even cooking, you can start a blog and share your insights with the world. Once you've built up a following, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. Affiliate marketing is another method worth mentioning. It involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to earn passive income, as you can make money even while you sleep. Each of these methods has its own set of advantages. Freelancing offers flexibility, online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge, blogging gives you a platform to express your passion, and affiliate marketing provides passive income. What's more, they all offer the opportunity to earn money without ever leaving your dorm room. With these basics in mind, we can now move forward to the practical steps of making money online. To start making money online, the first step is to establish your online presence. Think about it. Your online presence is like your virtual handshake. It's your chance to make a great first impression on potential employers, clients, or customers. And we all know how crucial first impressions are. So, how do you go about setting up your online presence? Well, it can be as simple as creating a LinkedIn profile. Make sure to fill in all the details, add a professional photo, and don't forget to showcase your skills and experiences. Or maybe you're more of a creative type. In that case, starting a blog or a website can be a great way to showcase your talents. Just remember, keep it clean and professional. This is your online business card after all. Now that you have your online presence, it's time to find the perfect opportunity for you. The internet is full of opportunities, but finding the right one is key. In the vast digital landscape, there are countless ways to make money online. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. It's crucial to find the right job or opportunity that aligns with your skills and interests. To start, there are several reputable platforms where you can find online jobs. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a few examples. These platforms offer a variety of opportunities across fields like writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. But what if you're not sure what kind of job to look for? Well, think about what you're good at. Maybe you're a whiz at writing essays, or perhaps you have a knack for creating eye-catching graphics. Once you've identified your skills, you can search for jobs that match them. Now, here's where you need to tread carefully. While there are many legitimate opportunities out there, there are also scams. So how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? First, look at the job description. If it's vague or doesn't provide specific details about the work, it might be a red flag. Second, research the company or individual offering the job. Look for reviews or feedback from other people who have worked with them. If you can't find any information, or if the feedback is overwhelmingly negative, it's best to steer clear. Third, be wary of jobs that require you to pay a fee up front. Legitimate jobs will not ask you to pay to work. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off or too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, finding the right opportunity takes time and patience. You might not hit the jackpot on your first try, but don't get discouraged. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep applying. Once you've found the right opportunity, it's time to put your skills to work. Your skills and portfolio are your ticket to successful online earning. Let's dive right in and unpack this statement, shall we? First up, your skills. These are the tools in your toolbox, your magic wand, if you will. They're what you bring to the table in the world of online earning. So how do you build these skills? Well, it's a combination of education, practice, and experience. Look for online courses or tutorials that align with your interests and the online earning opportunity you've chosen. Whether it's web design, content creation, digital marketing, or even virtual assistants, there's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you to tap into. But remember, learning is only the first step. The magic really begins when you put what you've learned into practice. Don't be afraid to take on small projects or even volunteer work in the beginning. This will allow you to apply your new skills in real-world scenarios, gaining invaluable hands-on experience. Now let's talk about your portfolio. Consider this as your professional showcase, your personal gallery of achievements. It's where potential clients or employers can see what you're capable of. So, how do you build an impressive portfolio? You start by documenting all the work you've done. This could be screenshots of a website you've designed, samples of articles you've written, or case studies of successful marketing campaigns you've run. Then, organize these samples in a way that's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of you and your work, so make sure it represents you in the best possible light, and don't forget to update it regularly with your latest and greatest projects. But here's the thing, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Make sure each piece in your portfolio demonstrates your skills and the value you can bring. Showcase your versatility but also highlight your specializations. This will not only make you stand out but also attract the right kind of opportunities. As you build your skills and portfolio, you'll become more attractive to potential clients or employers. And that, my friends, is how you pave your way to successful online earning. Making money online as a student can be a game changer, but remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap the key takeaways. Firstly, understanding the basics is crucial. Get familiar with the concept of online earning and how it can fit into your life as a student. There are numerous ways to earn online, from freelancing to affiliate marketing, blogging, or selling products. Find what works for you and aligns with your skills and interests. Next, setting up your online presence is a key step. Whether it's a professional website, a LinkedIn profile, or a portfolio on a freelancing platform, make sure it's polished and showcases your best work. This is your digital business card, your first impression to potential clients or customers. Finding the right opportunity is another essential piece of the puzzle. Do your research, connect with others in the field, and be on the lookout for opportunities that align with your skills and goals. Building your skills and portfolio is a continuous process. Always be learning, always be improving. The more you can offer, the more valuable you become. And remember, every project, every job, every experience is a stepping stone to bigger and better opportunities. Now for some final words of advice, be patient. Success in online earning doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build skills, gather experience, and establish a solid reputation. Be persistent, keep going even when things get tough, and finally, be professional. Treat your online work as you would any other job. Respect deadlines, communicate effectively, and always strive to deliver quality work. Remember, the journey of making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and soon you'll see the fruits of your labor. Good luck.